time. Crowd going mad here. That's six. They picked up the length very early. Can he do it again? That is six. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Spinner into the action from the other end. Slips in place. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Spinner into the action from the other end. Fielding team can now have more than two fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes. Extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Nudges it for a single. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Spinner into the action from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Gone and well caught.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is a very quick single taken.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is edged.
No ball called. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit.
That has made some serious damage.
They would definitely have a score in their minds.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, shot, but only a single. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Nudges it for a single. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Edged, and it's safe. Falls in no man's land. They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Missed that completely. Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.